So this is the sugar cane beside of Rhea and Roy's house, guys. And look at this. I asked Rhea's mom if they are the one who plant this, and she said yes. And this sugar cane is good also for carabao because they are giving the leaves. And I think it's the same to corn. And also Rhea have a rooster here. Nice rooster. Hi. Hi. And they have also some sand here and hollow blocks that maybe Rhea later on will build a pig pen. You can use this. And then this is the old house of their neighbor that they sold already to Roy and Rhea. And this is their land here. It's nice, guys. Rhea can build also a little garden here. And also some chickens or pigs. Look at this, guys. It's nice. Oh, they have plants already here. They have beans. They have turkey also in the neighbor.
Plants that we plant there.
What's that, Ray? Tomato?
Actually, we just mix
Tomatoes?
tomatoes and then what call this eggplant?
Eggplant. Eggplant siguro dato Ray, oh.
Hindi na re.
Mm-mm.
And ready to try na di ay.
Lapichay.
Oh, but look at this. Oh my God.
Maybe the chickens eating. That's what our problem also. They're eating the leaves.
Yeah, because when they grow like this, we just put there in the flat. We just
The soil here is very nice, guys. Oh, it's black. Because Mount Kanlaon is near and the soil is very abundant. Cacao, guys.
not really big.
Where chocolate came from. Cacao. The seeds of cacao is they are making chocolate.
Yes. And this house, we're gonna destroy this after our rice done.
Mm.
Since the owner of this house, they have a lot of plants there, so I chat her before, but she's busy. So we destroy this if she gonna get those sacks inside there. And then we make a bahay kubo here.
By Kubo, yeah.
Yes,
That's nice.
And
Rest house.
then rest house. And then maybe we can make a stock room.
You can make a lot of pig pen already.
Our pig pen is just there. We put
Yeah. You put septic tank.
here, I think, and then we put this ABC there.
Nami gani ri.
Ay, bala, ito ni Papa.
Spacious.
Ano tawag yung inyo? Beans? We
Beans.
call this balatong. Kapag, yan. Oh!
James is still flying, guys. Look at him. Mount
If
Kanlaon.
I doing, play that drone, I'm scared. Maybe because of, the drone cannot come back.
Yeah, that's my problem because of the trees.
Yes! Because I can't control. Nakaunta doon na ka?
How's your drone, James?
Wow!
Nice.
Oh my gosh! Si Kuya Roy, nakabaanan na ya? Hindi ka kaya man ani Roy galing amon nga drone, di sa may ka ano gid.
You have no sunblock, James.
The drone's far away.
Wow.
We just bring the drone there in the farm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We have a lot of cacao.
Tapos na.
Sige, Ray.
Oh, did you get some cacao for Karen?
No, it's okay. Ano, Roy, it's okay.
You did it already for Karen.
A lot of cacao.
Take it there.
We've been there, but we just make it.
Rhea's Papa is here and Roy.
Hello.
And that is the famous Mount Kanlaon in the
Kanlaon.
Kanlaon in the background there, guys. The very top is covered in clouds right now. I'm holding myself back, not sending the drone up yet. I don't know. I feel like I ought to just send it up. So, Roy, what's your project here? Oh, you're okay. I see you're gonna block out the light.
Yeah.
That's what you're telling me. Okay.
Yeah.
No light, no algae.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
All right. Nice.
Yeah.
So you're gonna put it back in there?
Yeah.
For protection? Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
So I'm just putting a piece on the bottom like this first, then we're going to flip it over and drape it from the top, so that way all the water will drip off and it won't hold water in the bottom here.
I wonder how high the highest settlement was up there.
Papa, which place is closest to Kanlaon? Which barangay?
Barangay
Masulog?
Masulog,
Masulog?
Barangay Pula, Barangay Biak na Bato.
Biak na Bato? There's a few barangays a bit closer, but they've been evacuated for a long time.
Dang, it'd be fun to
Since
go up
last year, some people have been living in schools and in the plaza.
Okay, so is there a VOG up there, volcanic gas? Is that why? Or are they expecting it's just going to blow rock and lava out of there?
Ever since it first did a big ash, when I was here the first time, there was a big ash thing that came out in June last year. There's been people evacuated and nobody's allowed to live within 6 kilometers of it.
Okay, what about day trips to go explore?
No, you're not even allowed to go and hike there anymore.
Dang.
Yeah, it's too volatile.
All right.
You want them?
All right.
I don't want this to hold.
That volcano, that's going to be the highlight of my trip. Man, that's cool.
Take the water out.
So is that grass up there, or is that trees near the top?
Grass, man, yeah. It's
Okay.
too big for trees,
Uh-huh.
but you get grass up there. Okay, Papa, let's turn it over. There goes James's drone. I'll go and get our drone.
Okay. Wow. And other people there, they were just curious what sounds that.
Yeah, like a bees.
People said, oh, there's a big bees.
James is trying to go to Mount Kanlaon, guys, using his drone. We're going now to
Mandayao Falls. So
Mandayao
they are
Falls.
going to swim there.
Which
but
side,
Rhea and me is not.
Yeah,
which
we are
side
just
are
two
you
children.
coming? Africa?
Mandayao Falls.
Mandayao.
There's a swimming pool there.
You wanna
Also
swim
have
also? Oh, the Carabao.
Choose this side. Africa,
Look
choose
at the
this
Carabao,
side.
guys.
Because James being front, okay?
James Carabao.
Ayun, octopus. Nice, look. Yeah.
We should do that for the princess.
Oh Lord, they need a ride. There we go. This happen often, Roy?
Nah, not that often, man. Yeah.
Okay. Taxis.
Yeah. Did something back
Yeah.
What happened at the back?
We're giving the people a ride.
Pwede pa di isa dito siya. Ako lang. Pwede.
Okay, so we picked up about 7 passengers.
We just stopped there in Acantilado. Maybe we can
Hello, everybody. Hello.
So how many people?
Welcome to our vlog.
Sa Acantilado ka, ma?
12 people?
Acantilado.
Okay, cool.
Wow.
Ikaw para tayo likod. Wala mo na lang rin
You can fit 12 people in a Tamara? Is that how many we got? Wow.
Oh, they're not? Okay. Ready? Walking up there.
Okay lang mo da. Ginamusta na ya.
So Ray, you said this was in the evacuation zone at one point for this volcano? Wow, look at this.
Was it evacuated last year, right? Late last year, and then people were allowed to come back to their homes about 1 or 2 months ago.
Okay.
So these people had to live in the
Uy, kinuot lang kita guro nang.
in the school down in the town.
So what are they saying about the volcano in the future? Is it going to calm down or is it going to get worse?
They just all they can do is monitor it
Uh-huh.
and give alerts if they think there's going to be trouble, but they don't think it's going to be like a big lava explosion. It's just going to vent sometimes with ash and smoke.
Okay.
But actually, the last time there was a little bit of lava.
Lagaw ko sa may nursery. Wali kami gina sa ubus. Ito yung tago.
What do you think, Karen?
Di utod. Nag-vlogger man na sila sa akin. Dito kami nag-stay ligad sa ila. Galing sila naman sa muna kanto de.
James and Karen
Adventures. This is Karen.
from Auckland.
Kung may galit lang katao ah.
Pwede mo sila sa ato.
That down there, James, that excavation.
Oh yeah.
Ba mo na? Ma, ambot na gidi kay malakat pa kami karon sa may Mandayao. Wala alang man, lang kami to nag-video lang pala.
That's not a sign that I've seen on a regular basis. Volcanic
Okay na Acantilado ha.
area.
Ah, yeah.
Gid. Vlog may kamoto? Hindi man picture lagi dyan. Ayos trip niyo ba no? Nakatog lang ang na pare. They are just walking from Mansalano. If they didn't see us, so they are just walking over there.
How far were they going to walk?
It's far away.
Long way.
Yeah. Maybe,
What have they been doing? Are they?
Just take a picture in Acantilado.
Oh, that's where they're going.
We've been there before.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So are there no tricycles up here?
There is, but I think all the tricycle is there in La Castellana.
Are they all private or are they
No.
they're for hire here?
Oh yeah, most of them, almost all are for hire.
Wow, look at that. It's not even-
People at the back, are they coming with us?
No, we're going to drop them off at another place, right?
Oh, then you'll get some money.
No, no. We're doing it for free, man. He wants
think they stuck in.
Na-stuck. Yeah, Brecha.
Ipabawa
No.
na, pabawa na.
Na ibigin. Nara na.
Yeah.
Salamat, thank you.
Pasensyahan ba sa likod ha?
Bye.
Bye.
Ayos trip nyo ah.
More fun in the Philippines.
Yeah, they are cold trip. They have a cold trip. Just walking.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
This is where we're going. Have a look up the hill now. Oh my eyes are getting in trouble. Really? Do you want to borrow my sunnies?
Yeah, I mean, I think I might. Well,
Give it a go.
Yeah.
Give it a go.
So we finally arrived here, guys. What happened to you?
Oh, it might go back on.
yeah, snap.
Oh, snap. Sorry, I'll make another one.
Just remove it. What happened to James' sleeper? We'll just buy more. Max is already there.
Maybe you can
It's very nice here, guys. Very beautiful place. A lot of people, actually.
Panorama.
A lot
Yeah,
of
there's a lot of people here since it's Sunday.
every
so
Sunday
they're
a
riding
lot.
here.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
baby.
There's a cafe also
There's
there,
our
I
vlogging
think.
camera.
Can I fly dry?
Yeah.
Like Rojas also, James, no?
What's that?
Like in Rojas also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kind of.
Why ko pa naman na-count the car? I didn't count how much steps.
Steps.
Yeah. Maybe more than 50 something now.
Wow, Mount Kanlaon, guys. Oh my goodness. I wish I'm living here like Rhea too. Very beautiful.
And later we can sit over here. Very nice. Hapon.
Wow.
I asked Karen if she like here.
I
What
wanna
do you
stay
see about
here.
here, this place, Karen?
Very, like a dream. Like a dream.
Like
To
a
have
dream.
this kind of place. Wow. One of the best.
They have also
Island.
yummy food there. We've tried that before. Me, Bacho, your favorite, Karen.
Yeah, Bachuy.
And whatever.
Bachuy. Bulalo.
Yes, hamburger. Before every Christmas, they have a lot of lights here.
Dapat lang kaya mo exercise rin. No?
Yes, before Karen with the jogging. Oh my gosh, when Roy's coming here in the Philippines 3 times, we always do jogging here. Oh my god, I feel like I'm going to die because I didn't used to do jogging every morning.
Yeah. It makes your cardio stronger.
Mm. Okay, girl.
This is our second tour here, guys. Earlier is we went to nursery.
Yes, but
Then-
I felt disappointed there because before it's very beautiful, but since of the happening of the volcano, so no one can take her there, and it's a bit dirty now.
That's a disadvantage.
Yes.
But the advantage is, look at this, guys.
I hope the clouds will get there.
Yeah. So hello everyone, we are here now in Lord Jesus Christ and Mama Mary's statue. We went there earlier in cross and we transfer here. Use your our Starlink Mini.
But do you and
And they have
Karen wanna
nice
get some,
Christmas tree.
Hi.
Very beautiful.
yeah, that track. Yeah. No, you couldn't have a buggy or a motorbike. It's too rough.
For sure, during Christmas, it's very beautiful here.
Yeah. Can you imagine all this
Yeah,
lights?
the Christmas tree,
Wow.
Christmas lights. Oh my God.
Some of the sections are too rough.
Nice house here, Bill. Nice house. Wow, perfect. Perfect.
Yeah, I guess we won't go to the
So this is at
Yeah,
the
I'll
back
wear
of
it at home when I'm with you.
statue of Mama Mary and Jesus Christ,
I'm
guys.
not gonna wear the picture.
Look at this, how clean and how nice this place is. And there's also a rainbow. Wow.
Namian ko na ba lang nga pula ka? Pwede ka nikatanong sa inyo ka.
Then, ay!
Sorry! Oh my goodness! Sorry! Oh!
That's very durable also.
Tamaan ko ka, ano ko kita ka.
Mabay lang. Why?
You wanna, come?
Wow! Look at the sunset here, guys.
Wow!
We're done taking picture in here with this bike, and now is we will go here also to take some pictures.
I'll go back with
Memories.
We'll do both ways, huh?
Hindi ka, ay,
Go with Ray and put the...
Ay,
go ahead. Ay, mama! Roy,
There we
excuse
go.
me, Roy.
Look at this, I got two cameras. Oops, sorry.
Ano namin na, Halmi? Halmi ka?
Dami, nag-circle ka na.
Ah, saan ang kuro na?
Ang saan?
Ano namin nami, Roy? Wala sa Roy?
That's okay.
Imo naman ka, ikaw naman. Ay,
I'll watch it, Karen.
Hello, guys. Happy days. Wow.
Oh, look at that.
Okay, so we're going now to town, guys, to buy our needed food later for our party, and also Red Horse. We'll buy. Rhea said she will be lonely if Roy going back now.
Karen, don't leave me here.
I'm gonna come back as soon as I can.
They can.
Yeah.
James have no plan yet.
I like this flower.
Mm,
Hibiscus? I'm not sure. It kind of looks like it.
Yeah.
nice.
Kami ni kay butang sa imo kwantar.
Amon nga to, way pa tanom-tanom to rin.
Basta magtigululan
Look what Max is doing.
Max is saying hi to the kids.
Because the kid's calling here. I'm calling him.
Well, we finished our live stream now. We're going to look up from the
Max!
Go, Max, you on?
Look at this, guys.
Luggers.
Is your Starlink, James, good now?
That's good.
Right here, in what do you call this?
Somewhere in the Philippines.
Yeah.
All right. Look at this, guys. I don't know if that's a good value or not.
15 pesos alligator clips.
6,595. How many watts is this panel?
200.
Oh yeah, it's 200 watts. Okay. That's pretty cool.
15 pesos.
Yep, that's what we needed. We've been lacking that. It's been driving me crazy. Thanks to Roy for bringing me over here. We're somewhere on Negros Occidental, guys. What a great place. All right, YouTube, we're heading back to Akron. Say bye, Max. We're heading back.
Like the mall.
Punta ka na? Sige na! Ha? Sige na! Sunod na tayo.
Photo. All right, Karen, you ready? You sad? Our first trip here to Negros Occidental.
I don't know that dog.
You don't know you. At least you're friendly. That's one nice thing about the Philippines. Most of the dogs, like 99.9%, are friendly. They're almost all friendly. Thank you for
your coming.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. See you next time.
Yes, next time we'll be back.
Yeah.
We'll be back.
We will back maybe tomorrow.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Take care. Kanila siya Rio ng ano. Dad, you have my phone.
Mahibig kang si Ria naman. Ria, we're gonna cry again. Sad.
It's a beautiful day in the province. We're gonna go check out the waterfall, and then we're gonna zoom for the Roro.
You need to wear your pants.
Oh no, I didn't.
Yeah, I gotta wear pants later after we jump in the water at the waterfall, right? You gonna jump in the waterfall, Max?
Look at that Max.
A coin?
Different coin.
Oh my gosh, you can buy more candy now.
No, that's not peso. It's different.
What is it, yen? You gotta get an exchange rate on that.
It's fine.
5 yen or what is it?
An Arab.
Oh my gosh, what kind of...
Like Arab coin.
Oh, somebody's an OFW from Dubai or something?
Okay.
Thailand.
Oh, Thailand.
Oh, Thai. It's baht. 5 baht?
Yes.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. I don't. If you go to Thailand, you can buy some candy.
You should go to Thailand.
Yeah, that's another country though. Yep. Yeah.
All right, guys, she's wiping me down with sunscreen. We're getting ready for our journey to the waterfall. We've got traffic here. Motorcycle, Toyota Tamara. You ready to go? My legs. Yeah. She's wiping me down thoroughly, guys. We better go, Karen. Come on, the Carabao's getting anxious. Nice truck. Look at that truck here. Suzu. Nice.
Let's park there, Bill. So we arrived here now, guys, in Mandayao waterfalls. We're gonna pay first our entrance fee.
But they have electric down there.
No horse.
And what about the cave? Is there a cave?
So this is the things to do at Mandayao Eco Park, guys.
I'll take the jumper cables back to the car. We don't need it.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go.
Should I get the drone going and fly the drone down with us?
This way to the falls. You can see the volcano.
Oh my god, it's beautiful.
Very beautiful. So sad that we are going to leave now. Today. To going back to Aklan, guys. Hi. Hello.
Got it. I got you.
My jacket, guys. I told Jeans to just carry my bag because it's
Did I
heavy.
leave my jacket back at the house? The green one?
You didn't brought it?
You
Bring
didn't
it.
bring it. You gonna go get it? Hmm?
Yeah. I can hear sound of water.
Sounds like a lot of water.
Where are they? So this is the Mandayao Falls, guys. As you can see, there's a lot of huge
Oh
rocks.
my gosh, look at that.
Yeah. Maybe there's a snakes here. And it's very cool. There's no tourists today here, guys, because it's Monday and people have work. For sure, if Saturday and Sunday, there's a lot of people here. And Monday is good also because we can just soul the area. They're there. Wow. Very nice falls beside of Mount Kanlaon. Wow.
What the heck is this?
Diare.
Oh yeah, we are here.
Oh, we are here now.
Water, my gosh. There are abundance of water here.
Nice. Over there, Bill. That is going to other, ano, or already. That is going to Santo Langsob
Alright, let's go.
Fish
We'll get
Farm. There's a fish farm. Oh, there's a carabao. Look at the carabao, James. James, where's your phone? Give me my jacket. You can do video for Facebook. There's a carabao here. Wow. Look at this, guys. Woohoo! Oh, there's a two. There's a two carabao, guys.
get some live going. That would be awesome. Yeah. There's never been launch games like this.
Di ba namin? Ano rin ka? I've been here before almost 2 years.
Ay, nagsalwal dun po.
We wanted to swim. It's so cool. The water is color.
Alright, you can swim.
Na? Blue or green?
Green nga may blue. Ay, green nga may blue.
Blue green.
Draw that out. Be careful, it might be slippery. Is it cold?
Yes.
Hindi ko finish do swimming here. James for sure is enjoying the Mandayao Falls.
Mandayao Falls is so beautiful. I love it. Look at those carabao. Can you believe it?
Yeah.
Do some talking if you want.
Yeah, well, we're really enjoying this trip. I could spend a month here easily. The place is awesome.
Very nice.
What a backyard you guys have here.
I think we're going to be coming here every day now.
I think so. Now that Max knows,
Yeah.
he's going to be angling to get you to come over here for sure.
Yeah.
What do you think, Jared? Wow. Nothing compares, guys. Nothing compares. What an awesome place. Look at those freaking carabao.
Guys, kiss me.
Sorry, just making a vlog.
Dad.
Yeah.
Okay, just wait.
Additionally, tell you
More fun at the
that
More fun at the
Oh well. That's fine. Probably clay.
is that one on mine?
Yep. Yeah, we really hope you guys enjoyed your time in Negros Island.
Absolutely, 100%. Just sorry we gotta go back so soon. But
Yeah.
cool. Yeah?
Just take a picture for us.
Yeah.
Maybe Nell, you can hold this. No?
Nelia, can you come take a picture for us, please? All right. What a place, guys. What a place. Woohoo. Philippines, huh? What are you guys doing sitting there in your polluted cities? Come over here.
It's more fun in the Philippines! Go, let's go, let's go. Oh, look.
Yes. It's more fun in the Philippines, guys.
Ay, car. Car.
I the carabao, they are getting now the carabao, guys. my god. So we are going back now, guys. We did already taking pictures in the bridge. And now is we are going back. Mail. Mail baboy.
Can I make a video, brother? Can I make a video?
Yeah. Kasi ano na ko, Dek?
You have a very strong
We go to
tricycle
the boy pig over there.
set. Ah, they're
Because
gonna
she's
make.
a girl.
Right. A fun day for you. Thank you, sir.
My God.
Oh, look at the size of that pig.
Wow. Tame too. Alright.
You don't see that every day.
No.
Cry already. Ryan, I gonna cry now, guys. James gonna leave now. James leave me here in Bacolod. Ay, Bacolod, Negros.
Yeah,
Take care, James.
I'm going to get some candy.
just wait. After the
Allah.
pig, we'll go to the sorry.
Is that a rain?
Rolling down from the volcano.
Let's go.
Oh, there's like a stream down here.
Ah,
Yeah.
I think it's rain. Oh my goodness, so sad.
Love you, Car. I will miss you, Car. Yalong ka mo ha.
Thank you,
James, thank you
Roy.
so much. Yalong ka mo ha. Take care. Just slowly drive. When you go to Boracay, just in front us, guys.
No, we'll show them Burrawunga. That's even better. Burrawunga, and we'll go island hopping and with boats and stuff.
Sweet. I'll be back as soon as I can.
Maybe we can all go hiking up
Car, along ka mo, Car.
the Teapot Falls.
We'll
and go
miss
catch
you
those
guys.
Oh, here's another.
Oh.
Dad,
Yeah.
are they leaving this?
Nah. I'm gonna give it to them.
fish. We'll go backpack ride.
See you later, guys.
Alright. Bye, everybody. Bye, Rhea. Bye, Mac. Bye,
Thank you, Roy, for everything.
Bye.
This is for sale by Kubo. So we are here, guys, in Macdo. We just stopped by here to eat our lunch because we're hungry and we travel long hours pa.
Hours pop.
1 hours
Karen got the
going to Bacolod.
Big Mac, guys. Karen likes
One
Big
more
Mac.
hour. Yeah. I have no rice because I maybe fall asleep again. So that's it, guys. So let's get our ticket here.
In the corner.
Oops.
Vlog.
Yeah,
Thank you guys.
I got everything. I was stuck earlier, guys, because they said that I need to pay a different
Fee.
yeah, for myself, and same to Dumangas port. Here is if you have already a motorcycle, it's already included.
This is a bigger ship.
And I pay 30 pesos and then 400 pesos.
Okay. Oh, look at that one, Karen. They got a lot of motorcycles.
There we go at the top. You have helmet.
I know it. My hands are not free.
Wow.
Wow. It's
James,
so hot.
James is shouting me, Karen, you don't need ticket. Oh my god, I am full.
You eat too much?
Yeah.
Can we bring any water or anything? Ask somebody if they have water. Let's go to the top.
Let's go. Whew. Because a lot of people stuck there waiting for maybe 5 boat.
A what?
Those people earlier together with me inside,
Yeah?
they're still waiting.
Why?
Like maybe next ship like around 5. Be careful, James. The stairs are so tall.
Oh, this is cool.
This is much bigger, no? I think. Philippine flag. Sheesh. They give me this. They give me this one.
You can be wise or you can compromise, right?
Yeah. Montenegro plains. A lot of rust, no? Because of salt water.
Yeah.
So we sit here, guys, at the top, beside of the operator. Operator is there inside. We're gonna do live stream. I love. Time check, guys.
Mars Island is now visible to the right. Mars.
That's Guimaras. We are near now, guys. Like 30 minutes. We're gonna arrive in Iloilo. James is sleepy and me too. Yeah, we are near now. I'm scared of the thunder, guys. James, I'm scared of the thunder using phone.
Go. It's not the thunder you gotta be scared of, it's the lightning.
Ah, lightning.
It ain't good. It's a big ship. You got it going? Recording?
Yeah.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. We're not fit there. Here, our little circle. It's a big ship.
Prepare mo na! Hey! Better get our raincoats on while we're here.
Huh?
Let's get our raincoats on. Do it. Cool. Karen, you better put that backpack on under your coat.
So we are here now, guys, in our house. Time check. It's 9:38.
So what time did we get back on the ferry? I should have checked it out.
Like 3.
3 something?
3 something.
So from what was that, Dumangas to here took, what was it?
Dumangas Port.
So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5 hours?
We arrived in Dumangas 5 already.
5 o'clock?
5:30, around 5:30.
5:30?
Yeah.
So it's 6:30, 7:30, 8:30, 9:30. 4 hours?
Yeah.
So that's not really bad for coming back. Half the way was through a pretty intense storm. So
Yeah. So
it was actually pretty exhilarating. I actually liked riding around at night like that. You don't complain much. I gotta compliment you.